Excitement is rising in Dallas as the new Cooper Flagg era brings fresh optimism to Mavericks fans, even after the front office shakeup that ended Nico Harrison's run. While the wins haven't fully arrived yet, energy around the franchise is shifting, and Nike is tapping into that momentum with the upcoming Nike GT Cut 3 Turbo Dallas Mavericks colorway. Designed for hoopers and collectors, this edition blends college navy, mystic navy, and a striking neon green accent inspired by the team's throwback vibes. The silhouette keeps its high-performance build but now delivers a team-ready look that matches the excitement brewing in the DFW basketball scene. Adding to Nike's lineup of NBA-inspired releases, this pair joins earlier Lakers and Timberwolves styles and hints at more team gear drops ahead. Expect the GT Cut 3 Turbo Dallas Mavericks to release this December with a retail price of $210. Perfect for fans, players, and sneakerheads tracking the Mavs' next chapter.